Here we're going to have a quick look at the Eureka NC180 RapidClean Pro cordless stick and handheld vacuum cleaner. Now what's good about this is that it's easily accessible if you're into cleaning on the go and you don't have to wait for that big cleanup. All the pieces easily attach with clipping mechanisms into each other, and once it's attached, you're ready to go start your vacuuming. What's good about this is that if you have a multi-level home, buy a couple, keep one on each floor. This way you always has access to quick cleaning and maintain your house as efficiently and clean as possible without a big effort. Up to 40 minutes of free runtime. It's easily switched to max on the fingertips and increases the suction for better cleaning on carpet and rugs and floors. If you're into vacuuming in low light situations, LED headlights help you with the job. And it only weighs 5.62 pounds, so the kids could use it if you're lucky.